Okay.
How I'm pooping. That's my mating call. Go for it. I was kind of flexible that I can actually do these things that I see in my mind. Once I start going for it, it just is no shit. Okay, hold on. Let me try. I see bad things happening.
Hurry up, I gotta pee.
Ow, my toe!
Nicole, come look what you just did.
Did I break something?
Pretty much. Well, no, you didn't break it, but...
Oh my god! Oh, my something is peeing.